A breast lift is a technique where we remove some of the redundant skin of a lady's breast and tighten up the packaging of the skin of the breast. Breast lift requires that the woman accepts the fact that she's going to have scars on the breast that previously does not. So it becomes a balancing act between accepting a breast that's perkier and more elevated compared to a breast that is hanging lower and is a little droopy. Sometimes a lady needs to obviously enhance the volume of her breast, and that would entail then adding the use of an implant. So they would need an implant augmentation with a lift, and they can be done hand in hand. The surgery time for a breast lift is about 2 to 2.5 hours, depending on the lady's situation. The recovery is typically easier. It's not a terribly painful operation, and this is primarily because no work needs to be done on the chest wall or the muscles of the chest. And so it oftentimes feels like a case of engorgement. So we have a bigger problem with slowing the ladies down and not doing too many things too soon, rather than them having a lot of pain. So it's not a terribly painful operation. They are up and about doing most normal things within a matter of days. They do have activity restrictions that we put upon them to help eliminate any complications or wound healing issues. So exercise is limited for 3 to 4 weeks. But typically from a pain standpoint, it's not a terribly tough operation to recover from.